Okay, in question number 3, two equation is like this. So compare this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So a1 will be 2, b1 will be 1, c1 will be minus 6, and compare this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So a2 will be 4, b2 will be minus 2, and c2 will be minus 4. Okay, and then find out the value of a1 by a2. a1 is 2, a2 is equal to 4, so a1 by a2 is equal to half, and b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 2, so b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 6 by minus 4. So here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. It means that the lines will intersect at a particular point. So the pair of linear equation is consistent, so we have to make a graph for this pair of linear equation, and we have already created two tables for the two separate equation. For equation number 1, this table has been created, and for equation number 2, this table has been created. So here y is equal to 6. So we are shifting this 6 in the right hand side and shifting this 2x in the right hand side to get the value of y in terms of x. So if it is 6 and 2x will be shifting in the right hand side, then 6 will be negative and 6 will be positive and 2x will be negative. So 6 minus 12 will be there. Okay, so put the value of x as 1. So 6 minus 2 into 1, that is 4. Next, put the value of x as 0. So 6 minus 2 into 0, that is 0. So y will be 6. So for the first equation we are getting two coordinates, that is 1 by 4 and 0 by 6, and for the second equation, first we are shifting the values 4x and 4y in the right hand side. Okay, and then divide the value by 2. Okay, so we are first try to find out the values of y in terms of x. So it will be y will be 4x minus 4 by 2. So first place the value of x as 1. So 4 into 1, that is 4 minus 4. It means that 0 by 2 is equal to 0. And then place the value of x as 2. So 4 into 2, that is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So for this equation number 2, we are getting two coordinates, that is 1 0 and 2 2. So let us plot these four coordinates in our graph. So let us draw the graph by plotting the four coordinates that we have found from the two equations. First, this is suppose x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so we have made this graph in our Excel sheet. Okay, assume this will be the points like 1 2 3 4 will be placed in x-axis, and in y-axis similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this way the numbers will be plotted. Okay, so find out the value of 0 6. In x-axis it is 0 and in y-axis it is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this coordinate will be in this position. And next is 1 4. In x-axis it is 1 and in y-axis it is 1 2 3 4. So 1 4 will be plotted in this position. Next 1 0, that is in x-axis it is 1 and y-axis it is 0. So 1 0 will be placed in this position. And 2 2, in x-axis it is 2. So 1 2, and y-axis it is also 2 1 2. Okay, so 2 2 will be placed in this position. So they will this and join this coordinates, make a straight line. Okay, so we are finding that these two lines will intersect at a particular point, and this point is 2 2. Okay, so 2 2 will be the intersecting point. So in this equation, this is question number 4. This first equation will be compared with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then a1 will be 2, b1 will be minus 2, and c1 will be minus 2. And this equation is compared with the a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then a2 will be 4, b2 will be minus 4, and c2 will be minus 5. Okay, then try to find out the value a1 by a2. that is 2 by 4 is equal to half, and b1 by b2 will be minus 2 by minus 4, that is also half, and c1 by c2 will be minus 2 by minus 5, that is 2 by 5. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So if this kind of situation arises, we can conclude that the lines are parallel to each other. It means that they do not have any common point, so the pair of linear equation is inconsistent.
আমার ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে প্লিজ লাইক করুন, শেয়ার করুন অ্যান্ড আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, যাতে আমি ফিউচারে আরও কোয়ালিটি কন্টেন্ট আপনাদের প্রোভাইড করতে পারি. সো প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই channel to get further notification of my future video and keep me motivated to make more quality content for you. Thank you.